Are you worried about material waste in your crosscut projects? I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com, and Freud's LU88 thin curved crosscut blade will save you money, time, and material. Available in 8, 9, 10, and 12-inch blades. It produces quality cuts in softwoods, hardwoods, and moldings. This blade has a positive hook angle with an ATB tooth geometry and features a TiCO Hi-Density Carbide for maximum performance. It also features a non-stick perma shield coating to protect the blade from pitch buildup while reducing blade drag. The LU88 series is for woodworkers who want a beneficial fine finish without the need for sanding and where material waste is a concern. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.